Assalamualaikum, welcome back to iHello solution. We are going to help you how can you remove the Samsung FRP. Very easily you can remove the Samsung FRP with iMEI. No need any box, dongle or PC. You can easily remove the Samsung FRP. First of all, you have to go to the iHello.com, then log in your iHello.com account. If you have no account, first you have to register. I have already account. You can see here I have already logged in my account. The log in after you have to go to the order now option. You can see here the order now option. Click on the order now. Here you can see the iMEI service, remote service and server service. You have to go to the and you have to select the iMEI service. Select the iMEI service. You can see here the search box. That service you want. You have to write here to find. Uh, just write in the service name or something keyword to find your service. Samsung FRP removed by iMEI, so we can write the Samsung FRP or by iMEI, anything you can write here keyword, then we can see the service. Such as if you write the FRP, you can see the all FRP service. You can see here the FRP is Samsung FRP removed by iMEI. Samsung FRP removed by iMEI. Select this service. Just paste here your iMEI. This is my iMEI. You can see on the screen. We will place the order, and remember it. Note this model. This model is not supported by iMEI service. Then click on the place order. Support any country, any security, and any model without listed model. Support all others model and all the security and Android version supported and all the country supported too. Place order. You are going to place. You can see here that thank you for placing one order. This order has been placed. We can check our order from here. Click on the order history. Select the iMEI order unlock. We can recheck our order history from here. Order history, iMEI order, or you can refresh this way. You can see here the order done. Now we will active our phone and we will make the process. See the next step. You can see here the done. Connect Wi-Fi and active device, and we will connect Wi-Fi and active our device now.